So we are going to study the 120-degree mode inverter. We have already studied the operation and analysis of a 180 degrees mode inverter. And to understand this mode, we have to use the X degree mode inverter as a basis, and we have to just replace the value of X as 120. Considering the rules for X degree mode inverter, and putting X equal to 120 degrees. Firing scheme. Q1 is fired at omega t equal to 0 degrees and conducts for 120 degrees, that is till omega t equal to 120 degrees. Q2 is fired at omega t equal to 60 degrees and conducts for 120 degrees, that is till omega t equal to 60 plus 120 as 180 degrees. Similarly, Q6 will be fired at omega t equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 120, 180, 240 and 300. Q6 will be fired at omega t equal to 300 degrees and it will conduct for 120 degrees, that is till omega t equal to 420 degrees. So based on the firing scheme which we have written here, we can draw the firing waveform for all 6 transistors Q1 to Q6, from which we will come to know that during each 60-degree interval how many transistors are conducting and which. So drawing the firing waveforms. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. IB1, IB2, IB3, IB4, IB5, marking all the timings. 0 degree, 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees, 240 degrees, 300 degrees, and 360 degrees. Okay, so Q1 will be fired at 0 till 120, and from 120 till 360 there will be no firing waveforms. Sorry, it will be from 0 to 120, and from 120 to 360 there is nothing. IB2, it will be delayed by 60 degrees compared to IB1. So from 60 to 180. IB3 delayed by 60 degrees with respect to IB2. IB4 delayed by 60 degrees compared to IB3. Now, one important thing which you should know is that this is the beginning of firing waveform for IB1, and this is the beginning of the second firing waveform for Q1. So in between these two, we see that there is a gap of 240 degrees. So we have to take a difference between the edges. So 240 minus 240, sorry, 0 minus 240 is minus 240, 60 minus 240 minus 180, 120 minus 240 is minus 120, 240 minus 240 is 0. That means it's like this. So now if you see here, sorry, it will be 180 minus 240 minus 60. So 240 minus 240 will be 0. And here 300 minus 240 is 60. So let us see that in which 60-degree interval which transistors are conducting. So we can see here from 0 to 60 degrees 1 and 6 will conduct. From 60 degrees to 120 1 and 2 will conduct. From 120 to 180, 2 and 3 will conduct. From 180 to 240, 3 and 4 will conduct. From 240 to 300, 4 and 5 will conduct. From 300 to 360, 5 and 6 will conduct, and the cycle repeats again. So again from 360 to 420, again we'll have 1,6. So we can write down here the intervals and the conducting pairs. So we can say that in every 60-degree interval, two transistors conduct. So interval and conducting pairs. So 0 to 60, 6, 1, 60 to 120, 1, 2, 120 to 180, 2, 3. And it repeats again like this. Okay. So to find out the values and the nature of the phase and line voltage waveforms, we can simply use this conducting pairs lookup table to draw the equivalent circuits. So as said before, that a conducting transistor is to be replaced with a short circuit and non-conducting transistor to be replaced with an open circuit. Okay, so we can bring the circuit from before. So in 0 to 60 degrees interval, 6 and 1 are conducting. So we can see that R is connected to plus V, Y will be connected to minus V, and the B phase, because neither 2 nor 5 are conducting, then it will be open. So the circuit becomes like this. We can say VRN equal to plus V by 2 V by n. One comma two. 1, 2 are conducting. R again gets connected to plus V. Y becomes disconnected from source, and B gets connected to minus V. So R and B. So we have VRN is again equal to plus V by 2. VYN is 0 and VBN is minus V by 2. Similarly, third interval 120 to 180, 2 comma 3. So R phase is not connected to anybody. Y is connected to plus V and B gets connected to minus V. So VRN is 0, VYN is plus V by 2, VBN is minus V by 2. Fourth is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4, Y is again connected to plus V and R is connected to minus V. So now it is Y comma R. So we have VRN equal to minus V by 2, VYN equal to plus V by 2, and VBN is equal to 0. Four and 5 are conducting. So R is connected to minus V and B gets connected to plus V. So it's R comma B. So last interval 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6, R is not connected, Y is connected to minus V and B is connected to plus V. So we have VRN is equal to 0, VYN as minus V by 2, and VBN is equal to plus V by 2. So based on the above analysis, now we can make the voltage value table. So VRN, VYN, VBN, the first line voltage. So plus V by 2 minus V by 2 0. Second interval plus V by 2 0. Third interval 0 plus V by 2 minus V by 2. Minus plus 0. Minus 0 plus. Zero minus plus. Line voltages VRY is VRN minus VYN. So we can see here we get plus V plus V by 2 minus V by 2 minus V minus V by 2 plus V by 2. V by B is a difference between these two. So minus V by 2 plus V by 2 plus V plus V by 2 minus V by 2 minus V. VBR with this minus this, so minus V by 2 minus V minus V by 2 plus V by 2 so minus V by 2 minus V minus V by 2 plus V by 2 plus V plus V by 2. Okay. So these are the phase voltages and the remaining 3 line voltages. Okay. So we can see that in the phase voltage the same value repeats 2 times plus V by 2, then 0, then 2 times minus V by 2. You can see this pattern. But in case of line voltages, we have 3 values: plus V by 2, minus V by 2, and fourth value is plus V. Okay, drawing the waveforms. first phase voltage, second phase voltage, third phase voltage. So phase voltages have only two levels, plus V by 2, minus V by 2, and 0. So V R N, V by N, VBN. 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and 360. Plus V by 2, 0, minus V by 2 2 times, again 0, minus V by 2 0, and then 2 times plus V by 2, 0, minus V by 2, 0, minus minus, Similarly, we draw the waveform for line voltages. Line voltages having four values: plus V, minus V, plus V by 2, and minus V by 2. So first line voltage, second line voltage, third line voltage. VRY, VYB, and VBR. Again 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and 360. Plus V by 2, plus V, minus V by 2, minus V. VRY is plus V by 2, plus V, plus V by 2, minus V by 2, minus V. minus v by 2 minus v, minus v by 2 minus v, and it will be again minus v by 2 plus v by 2. Similarly, v by b minus v by 2 plus v by 2, it will go to plus v, it will come like this, it will go like this, like this. Similarly, minus v by 2 minus v, so we can see here that just like the phase voltages were a 6-step waveform in case of 120 degrees mode, the line voltages are having a 6-step nature. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here we can see that the width of the pulse is 120 degrees. So we can conclude that the phase voltages are Cauchy square wave, line voltage 6-step waveform.